Hi guys, today we're going to be cooking oven fried chicken on a stick. We have just a few things that we need to get that done. We have here some flour, eggs for the egg wash, and some panko breadcrumbs. I have some chicken breasts. I had two that I cut into strips. And we have bamboo skewers. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is season our chicken. And we're going to fairly season the chicken with very simple ingredients. We're going to season it with some salt. Okay, so the next thing after the salt, some black pepper. Garlic powder. Sage. This is rubbed sage, which probably would go better in with the eggs. And we're going to turn our chicken over and do the same thing again. And then we're going to mix it all well with our hands. So after we season the chicken, go ahead and kind of rub the breasts together very gently because, we don't want to tear them up, but we do want our season to be spread evenly on the whole breast. Okay? All right, so now we're ready to take it to our prep station. Before we start to bread our chicken, I'm going to go ahead on and add the sage to the egg. Because it's rubbed sage and it clumps, it does much better. Add it directly into the egg. And you can also add your other seasonings if you want to add a little garlic powder. You can add that as well. So for those who are trying to monitor the salt intake and you want to know where you can put your seasoning, you can put it in the flour, the panko, but I like it on the egg. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead on and get that mixed up really good. Okay, so here I am breading the chicken, and you can bread more than one piece at a time and just kind of let it rest in the flour. So you just want to make sure it's real coated, really good. Now, as long as it's sitting in the flour, it can be all caked up on it. That's fine. But when we get ready to move it to the egg wash, which is flour, egg wash, and then panko breadcrumbs, we definitely want to shake off everything that's excess. Any excess egg, any excess flour. Okay? And I think this is about all I can do this last piece here. Guys, at this point, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Shaking off the extra. The egg wash. You want it to be submerged into the egg wash. Just turn it over to your panko breadcrumbs. We're going to shake that off, and we just lay it right on the pan. Next, after putting your chicken down on the pan, we want to go ahead and insert the skewers. Make sure it's going to be extra crispy, and we're going to just spray a little oil individually on each one. So our oven should already be hot at 350 degrees. We are going to bake it for 25 to 30 minutes, but you want to turn it halfway through. So at about 12 minutes, you might want to turn it 12 to 15 minutes. Go ahead and flip it over and turn it, okay? All right, into the oven it goes. So I have taken the chicken on the stick out, and they are nice and done. So enjoy, guys. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hubby and I will be making a whole lot more videos. If you have any suggestions for us, please put in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you have a good evening. Bye.